built my first ever Grails web application called BoardGamers. BoardGamers is a lightweight social network that allows people to search for board games that they're interested in playing, learn a little bit about them, and then record when they've played them and share that information with friends. The team was just myself. I built this application on Grails, of course. I used MongoDB for the data store, Haml for the views, Bootstrap for the CSS, taking advantage of the responsive CSS features, AppFog for the hosting, and BoardGameGeek API for the board game information. So when you go to the home page of BoardGamers, you'll see a splash page, a search box, and some recent activity. You can also register for the site or log in. But let's get started by searching for a game. Let's look for scripts and scribes. As you can see, the search results come back, and this is all powered by the BoardGameGeek API. I click on this one, and I can see the title of this game, the image, some information about the game itself, so I can learn about it. I can see the recent activity of this game. Somebody said that it's a quick but fun dice game. So I can go ahead and say, well, maybe I want to play this later. Oh, but this is a coming soon feature. So let me check into it instead. In order to check in, you need to log into the site. And after I log in, it welcomes me, and now I can add a comment to the game. Maybe I played it yesterday or a couple days ago. I can confirm my game. And I get a little summary of the game I played. And if we go back to the home page, we'll see it on the home page. Since I played it a few days ago, it floated to the bottom. I can also look at my profile. My profile lists all the activity of all the board games that I've played. And then if we go back to the scripts and scribes, we can see that my new activity was added there as well. One of the things I took advantage of was the responsive CSS in Bootstrap. So if I resize the window, I can get a resized experience so that it works nicely on mobile. So we can look at mobile here. You can see that's a little bit slightly different interface, but it seems to work. Here I'm logged in as Beer47. I can log out. I can look at my own activity. I can search for games. And get some results from Monopoly. Maybe I want to just play the original Monopoly. I can attempt to add it to my wish list, get the message. I can check into the game. And this game. Thanks. And confirm my game. There we go. Now when I click on username, that's added to my list. So as you can see, that's just kind of scratching the surface of what this could be. Some of the future features could be saving games to a wish list, record who you played the game with, and then recording who won and using that information of who won to create a ranking system for a particular game, so you know who the best players in the world are for Settlers of Catan or Carcassonne or Monopoly. And then after that, to make this truly socially integrated, being able to have a Facebook login and Twitter login, as well as being able to share the information from BoardGamers to Facebook and Twitter. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy BoardGamers.